kindergartners, it's Mrs. Hamsh again with another science lesson. So this week you're talking about motion, and today we're going to talk about force. So today's learning target is, I can explain force and give examples of push and pull. So what is force? Well, I'm going to write it right here and explain. Force is a push or pull causing motion or movement. All right, so let's talk about push and pull. So push, I'm going to write it right here, and pull. So push means to move an object away from yourself. So let's think about this. What are some things that you do that would cause a push? So let's see. I'm going to push this marker cap on. That's a push. Another push would be pushing a button on your tablet. You push down. Another example of push would be maybe when your family goes to the grocery store, they get a shopping cart and you push it. You push the cart. So let's talk about pull. Pull is to move an object toward yourself. So let's think of some examples of pulling. I'm going to use my example of my marker. I'm going to pull the cap off. Okay, so let's think of another example. I know, you pull a drawer open when you need to get something out of it. Or maybe you have a box of tissues and you're going to pull the tissue out. I want you to try that. Pull the tissue out. Pull the tissue out. Good job. So I have some cards here and I want you to look at them and decide if they are push or pull. All right, I just have a couple that we're going to talk about. The first one is this picture. What is the boy doing in this picture? You know that I love to do the microphone answers. So what you're going to do is you're going to whisper push or pull in your hand. You're going to whisper it and then you're going to say it when I say microphone answer, okay? So what is the boy doing in this picture? You have two choices, push or pull. Whisper in your hand. Microphone answer. Good job. You said pull. All right. Next one is a picture of a tube of toothpaste. What do you do when you use a tube of toothpaste? Let's think about it. Let's pretend that we have our toothbrush, okay? And we have a tube of toothpaste. And we need to get that toothpaste on our toothbrush. What do? We whisper in your hand. What do? Do we push or do we pull? Microphone answer. If you said push, you got that right. Good job. Thumbs up. All right, I have another one. Look at this. What is the boy doing to the car? Is he pushing or is he pulling? I want you to look at the picture again. Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said push, give yourself a thumbs up because you got it right. All right, last picture. You ready? That's a picture of a zipper. Do you push a zipper or do you pull a zipper? Let's pretend we have on a warm winter coat and we just got into a hot, or I should say a warm, cozy house. So we don't need our jacket anymore. So what are we going to do to that zipper? Let's pretend that we have the zipper and we're doing this to it. What does that mean when you go like this to take off your coat? Whisper it in your hand. Is this a push or pull? Microphone answer, it's a pull. Good job. So what I've done is I went around my home and I picked out some things that I use to push and pull. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show them to you. The first object is a clip. What am I doing? I'm pushing. This is a push item. I push. Another one would be this tube. I'm going to push the lid on. And another thing is a remote control. I push it to turn it on, turn the volume up, turn the channel. So those were my push items. See, all three? I got my push items. All right, so now we're going to talk about our pull items. I went around the house and found a couple things that we can pull. I can pull a piece of tape out. I can pull this rubber band. Woo! And I can pull my glove on. See? And these are my pull items with the rubber band that I threw. So here's what we're going to do. You guys are going to go around your house and you're going to find items that you can push and pull, okay? I want you to separate the items in two piles. After you get your items, I want you to separate them in two piles. One pile will be for push and one pile will be for pull. You're going to take a picture of your piles and you are going to upload it to the Google Classroom so I can see what you found. Our learning target today was, I can explain force and give examples of push and pull. We've done that today, so we've earned our learning target. Well, I can't wait to see your pictures, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye, kindergartners.